The Internal Revenue Service reported today that it has issued more than 4 million tax refunds already for the 2022 tax season as of February 4th. Average refunds were $2.201. That's 10 days into a filing season that opened on January 24th. The IRS expects to get 160 million individual returns this filing season for the 2021 tax year. These numbers can shift dramatically during the initial weeks of the filing season, so the IRS says there are no year-to-year comparisons at this point. But if you look at the statistics for day 8 of last year's filing season, refunds are averaging $2.880 for nearly 30 million returns processed. One reason for the higher number of returns early last year was because last year's filing season started 2 weeks late, giving taxpayers more time to be ready to file at the start of the season. One reason for the lower dollar amount of refunds so far this year is that most families with children got advanced child tax credit payments in the second half of 2021. Most of that money was simply in advance. For most taxpayers, the due date to file and pay is Monday, April 18, 2022, not the typical April 15 because that's Emancipation Day. Taxpayers in Maine or Massachusetts have until April 19, 2022, to file their returns due to the Patriots Day holiday in those states. Victims of tornadoes in Illinois, Tennessee and Kentucky and victims of wildfires in Colorado will have until May 16 to file and pay. Taxpayers requesting an extension will have until Monday, October 17, 2022, to file. There is no intention to extend the April 18 deadline as was done in the past 2 pandemic years, said IRS Commissioner Charles Rettig at a recent press conference. Rettig said he wanted to thank taxpayers for their patience and understanding in working with us. The IRS has faced enormous challenges due to the pandemic, from processing centers being closed and new congressional mandates including delivering stimulus payments and advanced child tax credit payment. It's an all-hands-on-deck approach to get people the help they need and get people their tax refunds, Rettig said. The leftover backlog of 2020 returns is unprecedented, 6 million individual returns as of December 31st. And telephone lines continue to be jammed. Still, the vast majority of taxpayers, those who file electronically, with no errors, and choose direct deposit, should get their refunds in a timely manner. 21 days, Rettig said.